Transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary by swapping out those boring backgrounds with something spectacular, all within CapCut. First things first, open up CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Drag and drop it onto your timeline. Now, here comes the magic. We need to choose a new background. This could be another video clip or a still image, whatever fits your creative vision. To add our new background, we'll go to the overlay option in the toolbar and select at overlay. Find and select the image or video you want to use as your new background and add it to your project. You'll notice your new background appears as a separate layer. Make sure this background layer is positioned below your original video clip on the timeline. This is crucial for our background replacement to work. Now, with your original video clip still selected, look for the Remove Background option. In the toolbar you'll see a few choices here, but for a clean swap, we'll select Remove Background. CapCut will work its magic and automatically remove the existing background from your video. This might take a few seconds depending on your video's complexity. And there you have it. Your original background is gone, and your new background is seamlessly integrated. You can now adjust the positioning and size of both your foreground and background elements to perfection. You can also get more creative. For more intricate backgrounds, or when the automatic removal isn't perfect, explore the chroma key or masking tools in CapCut for even more precise control. Play around, experiment, and let your creativity shine.